In the Arctic wilderness, a battle for survival is underway. This Arctic rabbit, under siege by two Arctic wolves, launched a life-and-death escape. Although the speed of the Arctic rabbit is not as fast as the Arctic wolf, but he is more flexible. Every sharp turn. Let the history of the Arctic wolf pass by. He made an almost impossible escape, cleverly escaped the pursuer. This Arctic rabbit has no choice. He stood up, in a particular position, defiant of the two Arctic wolves behind. The Arctic wolf is enraged. The whole pack comes together. They let out a collective howl. Start the team hunt. The wolves' numerical advantage is reflected. They all pay dividends. A leading Arctic wolf is in charge of chasing. The other two follow closely behind. Prevent Arctic rabbits from changing direction. Rely on the strength of the team. The Arctic wolf soon succeeded. Right now in the opposite direction, cubs of several Arctic rabbits. He peeked out of the pile. It is because the mother rabbit draws away the wolves. These young rabbits survived. They will be tied to their mother's bloodline. Continue on this vast Arctic land. Thrive.